Hey, how you doing? Austin Hilton here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ripple XRP. This is a news update video for XRP, and what we're going to be talking about in this video is specifically looking at the current chart and what's going on with the current price of the currency, as well as looking at some support resistance levels and looking at maybe breakout. What are our next breakout levels? We're going to be talking about that, so there's some news around that. Also, I'm going to be bringing you a piece of breaking information, specifically a news article that's just come out in relation to the fact that Ripple wants to go public after they settle the SEC lawsuit. I think that they're feeling very positive about that lawsuit, and there's been a lot of, there's been some positive momentum shifting in their way. The lawsuit is still moving forward. For those of you guys following Ripple XRP, you know what I'm talking about, and I'll have videos that'll talk about that in the very near future, but that's not the point of this video. This video is really looking at the price right now of the coins, as well as bringing you this information and really talking about support levels, resistance levels, whether the bears take over, the bulls take over, what's going to happen, are we going to go up, we're going to go down, we're going to talk about all that in this video. Okay, if you haven't ever been here before, please remember that this video is for entertainment purposes only. Before you buy any of these coins or buy any security or any stock, please do your own due diligence and make sure that it's the right fit for you. And if you're brand new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I bring you a bunch of videos related to crypto. I'm moving more and more into crypto videos, bringing you that. I'm a 30-plus year investor. I own Bitcoin, I own Ethereum, and I'm now looking to start making moves and pick up some Dogecoin, some XRP, etc. So you will continue to see a series of videos for all those different currencies, those currencies as we move forward, and I'll keep you updated on all news around those guys. So if that's of interest to you, subscribe. You'll get and hit that bell notification so you know when I do release those videos, as well as I bring you a bunch of other videos, penny stocks videos, news update videos on major stocks, including in the EV sector, a bunch of other stuff. Check all my content out here. You'll see I have a ton. Also, please do me a huge favor. Drop a like on this video if you get any value out of it whatsoever. That dropping a like genuinely does help the video out, helps the channel, helps me to grow, and helps me to help more people, because that's what I care about, is helping all you guys and helping all of us make a little bit more money tomorrow than we have today. All right, let's go check out what's going on with Ripple XRP and see what's up. Here we go. So you can see right now that XRP is trading at around the $1.35 per coin range. Not a lot of movement as of this instance, but you can see we've definitely had some nice movement up recently. I think that we are getting some positive movement from what is going on in the overall kind of circle of information related to XRP. I think that we are just continuing to see positive momentum going on, even with the SEC scenario going down. Okay, so that's the current market kind of scenario. What I want to really point out here, though, is take a look real quickly at this chart right here, and what you'll see here is the so the 50-day, the red is the 50-day moving average, and the blue, I believe, is the 20-day, if that's right. Yeah, okay. So the 50-day, again, moving average is around 89 cents. And really the point of me bringing this to your attention is if XRP declines to that 20-day moving average, which I think we're doing okay. We're definitely above that. Okay, it would suggest that bears are selling on rallies, and that could open the doors for a drop to its 50-day moving average of 89 cents. Okay, so that's really what I wanted to point out. Okay, so that if we do drop below potentially that 20-day moving average right here in the blue, that it could drop us all the way down to that 50-day moving average of 89 cents. So we need to keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that as you look at the chart today, tomorrow, things like that. We're looking good. I mean, we're definitely running up nicely. I think we're okay. But again, my point with this video and the furthering continuing videos down the road is to keep you updated with kind of what is going on from a news perspective as well. Okay, now the flip side of that here is that if the bulls defend the 20-day moving average, which it looks like we are, we'll hopefully continue to see positive momentum, and they can push the price above $1.46. Currently we're trading at $1.35 US dollar. Then we may be able to rally to $1.55 and then test that 52-week high of 196. Now, as promised in my intro, that's really kind of talking about our various levels of support. Okay, so that's what I wanted to really bring to your attention as it relates to XRP, is that, again, if we decline to if we decline and drop below our 20-day moving average, it could suggest that bears are selling on rallies and they're applying, that selling pressure, right, to the crypto, to the currency, and then that could open the doors for a drop to that 50-day moving average. Would that happen if we do drop below that 20-day? It's a possibility. It doesn't mean it will. It's a possibility. I want to make you aware of that so that you can keep an eye on it if you do own XRP, and know kind of what you're looking at as it relates to some of these, bear versus bull patterns that we may see evolving. Right now we're on a bull run, but we want to be aware and keep our eye on those moving average lines and not test that 20-day moving average, because it could signal a deeper drop. Okay, that's really my point. Conversely, if we can continue to press forward and press up and maybe hit that $1.40, $1.45, price point, then we can maybe even rally to $1.55, and then kind of after that, the sky's the limit, and maybe able to test our 52-week high of $1.96. All right. So with that, let's turn the attention to the piece of information, the article I've got for you. This was published 6 hours ago. So effectively breaking news. Ripple wants to go public after they settle their SEC lawsuit. They seem to be pretty confident that they're going to settle that lawsuit, the SBI CEO says. So the largest outside Ripple shareholder believes that XRP-related firm will go public shortly after settling its lawsuit with the SEC. Okay. So major crypto company Ripto has not given up on its plans to go public despite its ongoing legal battle with the United States regulators, according to SBI Group CEO. Yoshitaka Katayo, CEO of I apologize if I said that wrong, CEO of Japanese financial giant SBI Group, claimed that Ripple plans to become a public company after the firm settles legal action brought against it by the United States SEC. Okay, this has been ongoing for a while. For those of you guys who have been following XRP, Ripple, you know that this is happening. It's built into the price into the price right now. It's all good. It is what it is right now with the current information. So basically speaking, on Wednesday's earnings presentation call, the Kateo said that both Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen are planning to take Ripple public. After the current lawsuit, they want to do it. That's basically what he's saying. Kateo said that SBI's investment in Ripple would pay off following a potential public listing, noting that SBI is the largest outside shareholder of Ripple. He further predicted that blockchain consortium R3, another industry company actively supported by SBI, will also go public one day. If there's enough interest in that one, I may actually do a video on this one as well. So let me do a little bit of due diligence check on that. So it basically goes on to say that there's going to be other maybe other IPOs in the crypto blockchain space. That's fine. They're not going to be the first, and they're not going to be the last. So let's see. Let me see what you do. As previously reported by Cointelegraph, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs as well as Garlinghouse and Larsen in December 2020. Again, I'm assuming you know this. If you don't, this is what I've been talking about, this SEC lawsuit. They allege that XRP was a $1.3 billion unregistered securities offering. Okay, the company has managed to achieve a series of legal victories, bringing more hopes from investors regarding the lawsuit's outcome and driving the XRP price above $1.40, a level not seen. Now we're again getting close to those levels as we speak. In fact, she's even climbed up a little bit as we've been talking here. Okay, so that's the scenario there. Again, what I really wanted to make you aware of is current price. Obviously, looking at our breakout levels for 20-day versus 50-day, kind of our, what our support on the bottom, resistance and things like that, and what our next levels are to move forward. And then make you aware of this breaking news that relates to the fact that, hey, they want to take the company public. And if you don't know what Ripple does and things like that, suggest you do a video, do a real quick Google search. What does Ripple XRP do? You'll get some really good content. I'll have a video coming on it in the near future as well, just for those of you guys who don't quite understand what the heck Ripple/XRP is, what they do. They're not your traditional cryptocurrency in how it's all structured and things like that. Again, I'll cover that in a future video. Okay, so hope you've enjoyed the video and enjoyed making for you. This was the first XRP, Ripple XRP video I wanted to make for you guys. There was a tremendous amount of interest in it, so it was one of the ones that I wanted to make for you and keep you updated on. I'll continue to make videos on Dogecoin. I've got some Bitcoin and Ethereum videos coming. I'll continue to keep you updated on Ripple XRP. I've got a whole list of other ones that I will probably most likely be bringing out, and I'm looking at my list as we speak. So there's some other ones that are coming. Cardano, you name it. There's definitely some other ones potentially coming down the road if there's enough interest in them. If there's a coin you want me to cover, by the way, drop it in the comments below and I'll look into it, and if there's enough interest in it, I'll certainly give it a shot and make it for you. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Take it easy, and I always say at the end of the video, go make some money. See ya.